What up, nerds? Oh wait, I can't say that. What up, peeps? Let's go shoot a raptor. Loud. Looks like we're coming up on the spot I want to use right now. Yeah. So. I think that is pretty solid. Where did I turn the wheel? Hold on. Alright, yeah, I want it that way. Yeah. There we go. You know, I had to wear my seatbelt. Safety first, right? There we go. Got the M50 with the Sigma 30mm, and then the ProMaster 52mm circular polarizer filter. So makes for some really nice colors. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Shoot like that. I'm not as fit as I used to be, squatting down like that. Let's see. Hit this real quick. Just like that, yeah. Okay. Oh, that's nasty. Let's see how it looks. I might be able to clean it up in Photoshop. I wonder if I can line it up straight ahead before it ends. Shit, really out here just kind of working out, huh? Oh fuck, that's literally good. That's really good. I'll blow it up on the screen, but just that little bit of extra motion in the back is really clean. I got pretty lucky on that. It's rare actually. Get some really clean shots like that. I think that was like it's like 1/20 with f13. Normally I shoot about 1/200 with 2.8 just to eliminate micro jitters, but I'm sure I can still make it look good, even if it does have a little bit of shake in there. With it being so cold out, it's hard to not get any shake in it, but you're constantly out here just shivering. So come around here and trying to see. I don't like how it does that. It attracts way too much attention. Gotta be low key. Let's see, shoot that with the interior. Let's bring it ISO a little bit more. Still pretty bright out. So this one doesn't have a sunroof. Sometimes if it has a sunroof or a moonroof or whatever, I'll oh, there we go, that's nice. Sometimes if it has one, I'll open it up all the way, just that way you can really really get a nice picture on how it looks.